How to trigger someone.
So, doing the Blizzard first, even though I was kind of thinking of doing the food thing first, but I really don't know why that was even an option, because the Blizzard melts and the food doesn't. But the food does get cold, but I don't know. But anyways, I think it's already started to melt, because it did take me quite a while to get to the house. Or maybe it didn't. It doesn't look like it actually did that much. Ooh. It didn't do that much, except it did enough that it splattered a little bit. So, great. Loving every bit of that aspect, action thing. So, this one is the... Were you dying laughing, Greg?
No.
Oh, sorry. I'm changing the angle because I don't know. I felt like it was a little hard for me to... I don't know. I don't want it to be too long. So, this is... I don't even remember what it's called because it was so... Like, I didn't even expect to see it. It's like the the Oreo hot chocolate or the hot chocolate Oreo Blizzard. I don't know, but brother's going to go first. So, no thoughts. So, I'm going to go for mine. Here we go. You know, I just realized that I guess it's kind of good I'm doing this first because it wasn't really advertised, to my knowledge. Well... It's okay, but... Okay, there you can see real quick. Ooh, almost spilled. I wonder if that's real chocolate or if it's blackface chocolate. Bum, bum, bum! Did you... Oh, I thought you died. I thought he died. I don't know if this is vanilla soft serve or if it's really chocolate.
Vanilla
soft serve. Ah! Don't ruin my dreams!
You know it's gonna be.
I know! I was trying to make you laugh because that's the kind of thing that you do. Anyways, this is okay. I'm not really sure what it tastes like. It definitely doesn't taste like hot chocolate. I'm not exactly sure how that could taste like a Blizzard. I guess I kind of see what they were going for, and I guess it's okay, but it's not exactly hot chocolate. It's kind of just like a chocolate Oreo. Guess they called it hot chocolate because we're getting into the winter times, and it's a good seller. I think I'd give this a 6 out of 10 still, though, because, like, it's not that bad. They blended it well enough that if it is vanilla soft serve, which if you've seen any of my other videos, you know I hate when they're all vanilla soft serve. They blended it well enough that I can't see it, but I don't know. So, Greg, what...
Vanilla soft serve.
Okay. Ah! He looked it up! Ah! Okay, I gotta end this quick. No, I'm just joking. I mean, I want to end it quick, but... Anyways, what'd you think? Did you like it?
I really liked it.
You really liked it. You had nothing to say, and you really liked it.
You want to read the description?
I'm going to read the description on their site. They actually have it on their site. I didn't check the site. Should have. Oreo cookie pieces and cocoa fudge. Blended with creamy DQ vanilla soft serve. Blended to Blizzard perfection! Well, I guess I kind of taste the cocoa fudge and the Oreo cookie pieces. But the DQ vanilla soft serve that's creamy and it's blended to Blizzard perfection. Oh my god. That's it. Greg really liked it. I thought it was fine. Not the greatest. And have a happy time enjoying your vanilla soft serve. That's it. Okay, that's it.